What's going on, guys? Today is another episode of Do It By Hand. Man, we all quarantined in the house, so I have a few episodes that I'm just going to put out there to give you guys something to do, give you guys some ideas, and help improve that home. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and let's get this closet cleaned out. Let's remove the coats, let's remove the sides, let's remove the shelf. Then we're going to give it a quick paint job. Let's get it. So now that I have the shelves out, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill all of these little small holes that were left and definitely clean up those cobwebs that were left from the old shelves. I'm gonna cover it up with a little bit of spackling. So I just want to show you guys that I threw a little bit of spackling on the wall just to cover up the little pinholes. Not the best job, but you kind of get the picture. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come back, we're gonna sand this down, we're gonna paint the closet, and then we're gonna put in the brand new shelves. See you guys in a second. All right, guys, I'm back. I went on ahead and taped up part of the wall on this side as well. I went on ahead and sanded down the parts that I had to put a little spackle over. So let's get ready for paint. All right, guys, it's the next day here. I let the paint dry. The paint came out pretty good, nice and white. I put a flat white on there. These marks right here that you see are for the top of the rack for the shelves. So we're gonna go ahead and drill those out and start putting together this pantry system. Let's get to it. Track on. I actually had to take it off so I can get those butterfly wing nuts through the hole, and then I secured them back, and you had to just keep screwing them in until it made contact with the back of the wall. So now after this, we're going to hang the hang tracks. One is going to be on this side out of the stud, this one is going to be on the stud, and then this one is going to be off the stud. So let's go ahead and get those hang tracks in here so we can hang those shelves. like that, the pantry is finished. Don't forget to follow Do It By Handy on Instagram to get a sneak peek before the video. And like always, I want you to smash that subscribe button, bang that notification bell, and smack that like. Stay with us. Stay safe.